rest, where love and laughter are always best. A place to belong, to grow, to thrive. With family by your side, you feel alive. In this warm space we find our nest, a heaven of love where heart find rest. With every moment, our bond takes flight, a family love that shines so bright. Yes, children, so Vinashma is here. We can greet her. No matter how far we go, no matter how much we grow, we carry our family in our hearts. Family is just not an important thing, it is everything. With that thought now, I pass on the command of assembly to Amitoj.
On behalf of Class 1B, I welcome you all to the bright, beautiful morning. Now I invite my friends to come on the stage for prayer. For you. performance. Is the cornerstone of our lives, providing love, support, and a sense of belonging. They are there for us through thick and thin, offering guidance, encouragement, and a shoulder to lean on. Strong family bonds foster emotional well-being, resilience, and a sense of identity. Now, my friends will share the importance of family in our lives. Foundation of love and support in our life. Family members share joys and face challenges together. They guide us with wisdom and experience. Understanding strengthen family bonds. Every family has its own tradition and values.
They celebrate our success and comfort us in failures.
Family time creates lasting memories. A strong family makes us stronger individuals. Family teaches important life lessons.
Thank you. Very good.